Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I've never actually said that before and it was surprisingly very satisfying. So I've been thinking a lot about the bucket list type things that I want to do for this holiday season. Just because the holidays are a little bit weird this year with all that's going on in the world, it doesn't mean that we can't find the little things that make us happy and ways to celebrate the way that we want to. I want to live this season to the fullest, which is why I'm going to make some peppermint bark. I know you can't eat it, but you can help too. Meet you in the kitchen. You're in the kitchen and I've got my dark chocolate and my white chocolate. Each need to go in their own bowl. I love you, Ghirardelli. We're gonna pop it in the microwave at 30-second intervals, like maybe 3 times. Oh my god, it smells so good already. Yes, this is, oops, this is what we want. Now I'm just breaking up the candy canes and putting them in a hefty bag. This part is really cathartic because now we're gonna smash it. This is low-key how I get my frustrations out. Is it weird that I'm kind of nervous? I just realized I forgot the peppermint. I haven't poured in all the chocolate yet, so I'll just mix it in right now. Now I'm adding my second bag of dark chocolate to the mix. I low-key feel like Willy Wonka, and putting dollops of white chocolate on top. There's something so incredibly satisfying about swirling chocolate. I really can't even explain it. And last but not least, our candy cane crumbles. I'm running so late for dinner, but I'm going to pop this beauty in the fridge, and then I'm gonna check back tomorrow. Bye-bye, friend. This has been sitting in the fridge all night. I just took it out and it looks so pretty. Now I'm cutting it up into cute little imperfect pieces. My knife skills are only slightly concerning. But honestly, look how gorgeous that is. I'm so thrilled with how the marbling turned out. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.